Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a report from Golub Capital BDC 4 Inc. Don't worry if that name sounds like alphabet soup, we'll break it down. Let's see if this investment firm is hitting the jackpot or if it's just shuffling papers. Before we get started, if you are into decoding companies and their reports, make sure you are subscribed. Also, come join us on Discord. You can find the link in the description below. Golub Capital BDC 4 Inc. filed what's called an 8K report. Think of it as a company's way of saying, hey, something important happened and we need to tell everyone right now. In this case, the important thing happened on June 6, 2025. What exactly happened that day? Well, the company decided to sell more of its stock. They basically asked their existing investors to cough up more money. This is called a capital drawdown. It's like when you're building a house and the contractor asks you for another payment to keep things moving. The company sold 8,859.54 shares. That's a lot of shares for a total of $132.89 million. That's a lot of money. The deal is set to be finalized on or around June 16, 2025. So how does this all work? Basically, when investors initially signed up to invest in Golub Capital BDC 4, they agreed to potentially put in more money later if the company needed it. Think of it like a pledge. Now, the company is calling in some of those pledges. Why doesn't the company just sell these shares to the public? Well, they're using a shortcut in the law that allows them to sell to specific types of investors without all the usual paperwork. These investors are called accredited investors. They are usually rich people. Now, what does this all mean? Why is Golub Capital BDC 4 asking for more money? It could be for a number of reasons. Maybe they see a great investment opportunity, or maybe they need the cash to cover existing debts or other things we don't know for sure based on this report alone. Looking at these events, Golub Capital appears to be executing its fundraising strategy. While this particular report doesn't raise immediate red flags, it's a reminder to keep an eye on how the company uses these funds and how it will ultimately impact its investors. We can't really assess strength and weakness from an 8K. We would need to see a 10K financial report. Alright, that's our breakdown of Golub Capital BDC 4's latest filing. What's your take on these moves and what they signal for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.